welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Neha Verma and today we will discuss about cryptocurrency. I will tell you about cryptocurrency in very easy manner so you will get better understanding about this. Currency is a thing that we exchange for getting some value. In ancient time there is barter system in which we exchange two commodities. I have rice and some other person have wheat. Then we can exchange rice with wheat. So that is called barter system. There was so much difficulty that was faced by people in case of barter system that if I need rice, then first I search a person who have rice and make sure that I have the same commodity which he want. So we can exchange value as consideration. To overcome this difficulty, gold was introduced for exchange of commodities. But this system also lacks the transparency and it also very difficult to carry gold all the time. To solve this problem, later currency was introduced. Currency gives us transparency and very easy to carry. It has different numbers on it and it is very handy to cap anywhere. That time currency was issued by government according to the value of gold they have. In last few years currency becomes electronic. Now you can use debit card, credit card, your net banking system to proceed any kind of transaction that you want for doing online shopping or for doing any kind of payment to receive money from another person. So any kind of business if you want to do, you can use online money. You deposited your money in bank account and you believe those balance amount which is shown in your bank account. That is, you believe those numbers that will be shown by your bank account. So you have to trust government on this. Everything was centralized and government has full control on it. Government has full power to issue currency. If government issue notes in very excess amount, then it becomes very problematic for that country. After 1971, when the bond between dollar and gold broken, government has the power to issue currency as much as they want. They can issue any number of currency. It becomes very problematic if government issues currency in excess amount to their public. The problem was actually happened in Venezuela when the country government issues currency in excess amount to its public. It's so much in excess that if you need a chocolate, then you have to pay lakhs of rupees. It degrades the value of currency so much. So all the control is in the hand of government. So people want to decentralize it. To make a solution for it, in 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto launched Bitcoin. No one knows who is Satoshi Nakamoto, but in 2009 to 2011, various posts from this name were posted on internet. After 2011, Satoshi Nakamoto just finished and no one knows where he is going. But Bitcoin is still with us. In normal currency, there is centralized system in which only government can control it. They have all the power. There is one server which controls all the system. But in Bitcoin, there are various servers and data is distributed in various servers and they all control the digital currency. In Bitcoin transaction, only amount can move. No one can know the person who is transacting the transaction to another person, which means identity of both the person will be hidden. For security reasons, Satoshi Nakamoto also introduces puzzle system for payment confirmation. For confirmation of transaction, puzzles to be solved so that any transaction should be confirmed. So if hacker by chance hack all the servers at once, but he can't hack the puzzle system. So it provides a very high security. To solve these puzzles, small amount of fees will be provided to people. These puzzle solvers will be called miners. Miners are people who solve these puzzles. There are various websites and softwares are available for Bitcoin mining. So Bitcoin mining is just solving the puzzles for transaction confirmation. So people who solve these puzzles are called Bitcoin miners. Small amount of fees will be provided to these miners in Bitcoin. If we invest in Bitcoin today, suppose 1 lakh rupees, then we can't predict that it can become 1 crore or something else. So we can't say surely. So if you want to invest in Bitcoin, then invest it at proper calculated risk, which you can afford. So invest in Bitcoin carefully, but we can't fully ignore Bitcoin. We should invest because in future we can't predict it how much level it can increase. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.